Hello, today we're going to unbox this Agaro portable tire inflator, and the model is Galaxy. Before starting this video, the products that are shown in this video are not sponsored, so let's start unboxing it. In the box, you first get this main unit that is the tire inflator machine. We get another box here, so let's unbox this also. Inside this box, we get the charging cable, then the hose pipe, then a bag to carry the machine. Then we get the user manual and some valve adapters. So, now let's turn on the machine and let's see what we get here. Please charge the machine at least 3 to 4 hours. B for first use. We also get different modes here, such as car, bike, cycle, and football. This machine supports at least 150 psi. In emergency, we can use this as a flashlight and also as a power bank. And also, by pressing these two buttons, we can set the pressure manually. And by pressing this button, we can change its unit. Let's attach this hose like this. And now let's test it out. Now let's try to inflate this football as you see. As you can now see, the football has been inflated perfectly. Please like, share, and subscribe. And we will meet at next video. Bye!